I'll use one that isn't up here. I could say that the ratio, no, I don't really write the time. Well, no, it wouldn't hurt me, I just don't like to do it. 2 to 3 is equivalent to the ratio 4 to 6. Why can I say that is true? Haley?
Because you're doubling the numerator and
So,
denominator?
Are they fractions?
No.
Can we just say top number, bottom number for right
Yeah.
now? So what is my scale factor, Haley? 2, because I multiply them both by 2. Okay? Does that make sense? So now it's going to be your job to try to use these numbers to fill in different ratios here. So while somebody might be on the mouse doing it, you should be at least thinking about other options. So if you get picked, you're going to have to be ready to go. 14. All right, you get the first one, Olivia. Any ratio that you would like that you can make out of those. Who's 15? All right, Timothy, you're next. Go ahead. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I move it? Sorry, go ahead. So just leave that one there, Timothy. So go ahead and drag. You got these boxes. So think about a 2 to 3 ratio. What pair of numbers can you make over here that makes a new ratio that's equivalent to 2 to 3? All right, 8 to 12. Explain why.
Since we doubled the 4 and the 6, well, 2 and the 3 to get 4 and the 6, I just doubled the 4 and the 6.
Okay, so from going from a 2 to 3 ratio to an 8 to 12 ratio, what was your scale factor?
4 at 4.
4, absolutely right. Good. All right, Timothy, your turn. You can pick a new one, and you can just drag them right on top of those.
Is there a Zoom?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
It's, I gotta remember now. Oh, it's right here.
Okay.
All right, so you got a 6 to 9 ratio. Tell me about that.
2 times 3 is 6 and 3 times 3 is 9.
So your scale factor is,
6, 9.
well, that's your new ratio. What's your scale factor? What did you multiply both parts by? 3. Very good. All right, you're up, Miranda. You don't have to take them off. You can just drag on top of it. All right, talk to me about that. Tell us about 20 to 30.
The scale factor is 10.
Absolutely. Absolutely right. Good. All right, Haley, I think there is one more. Yes, I believe one more correct option up there. And if you're stuck and you want some help, see if there's anybody in the room that has an idea that might be able to help you. No, you hold it still. Here's what I want you to do. Who are you choosing? Jordan? Okay, so Jordan, what I would like for you to do is give her, instead of giving her the answer, tell her the scale factor that you're using for your answer.
Scale factor. 6.
Okay. So if the scale factor is 6, Haley, what new ratio can you make? Okay, tell me about that. 6 times 2 is definitely 12. 6 plus 3 is 9. Do you notice how when you said it, you said multiply, but really you multiplied one and added one, right? Remember, we have to scale factors, means we have to multiply. So let's try that second number again. So I agree, you're going to do 3 times 6, but it's not 9. There you go. Good job. Okay. Questions so far? Yes.
Okay, so she did 2 times 6, that gave her 12, and 6 times 3 gave her 18.
Yep. Multiply the scale factor of 6, meaning we multiply both parts of the ratio by the same thing. Now, last piece of this. Yes?
Wait, isn't there another one?
What you got?
I had, oh no, I had,
Oh, well, you're a step ahead of me. Okay? So, 99% of the proportions that we solve aren't going to be blanks. They're going to give us one value, like maybe this 15 here. And we've got to figure out a way to get to this number. So we may be able to use that information and determine a scale factor. What would the scale factor be for this ratio? Even though we only have one number, the scale factor's got to be the same, Riley? It would be 5. So if our scale factor is 5, what would the new missing piece of this second ratio be? No? Amanda?
10.
It would be 10. 2 to 3 is equivalent to 10 to 15. Does that make sense? Questions? On anything we've done? Yes, Jordan? No. We only have about 4 minutes left. Okay. All right. Good job on that. Thank you, Ms.